it's Tammy and I have a Dollar Tree haul. Let's get started. So I went to the Dollar Tree with Lisa yesterday to get some things for my kids for Valentine's Day. I know they're old and they don't need anything for Valentine's Day, but I'm still a mom and I enjoy doing care packages and stuff for them, and they enjoy getting them. I mean, who doesn't like a little surprise? So I picked out a few things. So I got a lot of goodies for Valentine's Day. I got a couple things for my pets and I got a couple things for myself. So let's get started. This one, oh, first thing I pull out is a cat toy. Isn't this fun? It's like a little, and it has catnip in it and a little bell. So I think that they will like this. My cats do play with toys. Often though, my dogs will get the toys and they will destroy the cat toy, but for a little while anyway, the cats will have it, and they like these that they can hold on to and then they kick it. I think these are even called kickers. But so there's that, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the plastic off while I'm showing you. And then I have two cats, so I had to get two of the little kickers. So this one is a different fish, but still a fish, which is funny. And it's the same concept with the catnip and bell in the inside. So there's those. I have no idea what kinds they are, but they're fish. And I got myself some index cards, 200 of them. That's a pretty good deal. And I'm going to use these with my knitting. And what I'm going to do is write like the pattern. I'll write each step of the pattern on a different index card. And that way when I'm finished with that step, I can move it to the back, and then I'm going to clip it together with a clip. And then the clip can sit up even, so I can have it on the table next to me when I'm knitting with the little cards inside, and I can just see what I need to do. And it's easier than having to look at the pattern every time and trying to figure out where I am, because not everything is charted and not everything can be charted. So, you know, and if it is charted, that's lots of times easier for me, but sometimes it's not, depends on the chart. So if I need to write it out, I thought this would be good. So I'm going to use those for that. I'll put those up there. And then, so Katie is graduating as a teacher, and I found some cute stickers. I think I have more than these two packages, but there's this one. Perfect solution, out of this world, positively super, and brilliant. And then this one says, fantastic, good job, superstar, and excellent. I think there's some more. So, oh, yes. And then this one says, you're a pro, you did it, well done, and great reader. And wow, improved, woohoo, and awesome. So I just think they're cute. And for her graduation, I have a box that I'm putting a lot of like teachery things in, and so these are going to go into that for her graduation. And then I bought myself these two. There's a word search and a Sudoku. So I thought they were really cute. They came with, you know, with a little elasticized thing, and then, oh, that's the key. But they're Sudoku puzzles. And I thought this would be fun. I could just keep it in my purse or in my bag and use it when I need. And this is the same kind of a deal. It's just a word search. And I just thought it was really nice. I thought, though, you know, it's not very big, but I don't do it very often. So I thought those would be fun. And then I also got a book called White Bodies. And they have several books there. I would always look at the books selection. And my friend Lisa and I are going to try to read a book a month together and talk about it, kind of like a little mini book club. And we were shopping together, so we found this, and there were two of them. There were actually two of lots of books. So we picked the one that we liked the best, thought we'd start with this one and give it a whirl. So there's that one. And then for Katie's stocking, she loves Ariel Mermaid, and I found this magic towel. I don't know if you've ever used them. It's just a wash rag that's like folded up. This one's in the shape of a heart, and it is Ariel Mermaid, so that's a Valentine. And then also she loves Swedish fish, so I found this, so I'm going to put this in her Valentine as well. So there's everything in that bag, and I think I'm going to separate the Valentines in that bag, keep them in there. And then I have another bag here. Nerds. This one has strawberry and punch flavored Valentine Nerds. So that's for them. I think I got one bag, so they'll share that. And then I got them each their own bag of these strawberry cream Russell Stover candies. They're in white fudge. They look fabulous. I'm sure they will love those. So I got them each their own bag of those. I got some of these hard candy strawberry filled candies. I know that they love these. And this is a pretty nice sized bag of these. So I'm going to share these with the two of them. And then I got one of these as well. I think. Sorry. These are white chocolate peanut butter hearts. Never had those, but they look fabulous. And this is for the cats, Little Temptations. This is for the kids. It is creamy candy with cookie bits. Ooh. Cookies and cream. I don't even think I knew that was what that was, but it sounds delicious. I got this for myself. I have seen these before, but I've never tried them. And it's a wafer, and there's two of them in here. And it has like caramel on the inside. And from what I understand, you put it on top of your coffee cup. Well, it actually even shows it. There's the coffee cup right there. So you put it on top of your coffee cup, and it's warm it up on your cup. So you warm it up, and you're supposed to eat it, and it's supposed to be delicious. So I saw that and thought, ooh, I'll try it. My daughter loves these jelly hearts or jelly. She likes like the oranges and stuff, but I think she'll like this one. It's cherry and they're jelly hearts. So I think I got two of these, but I'll let you know. I found this one, which is just candy hearts. There's 20 of them in here, so they each can get 10. I mean, this is a really good deal for $1. If you were doing, it says classroom exchange, that just reminded me of that. I mean, for a couple of bucks, you could give the kids each a thing. Oh, and here's another jelly one. So I got, sorry, got stuck on my bracelet. So I got another jelly. So they'll each get one of those. Oh, and that's not all. There's these Sour Patch Kids conversation hearts. There's 4 in here, so they each will get 2. I think I'm out of room in that bag, so I'll just start them in another bag. Airheads, the kids love these. These are mini bars. It looks like you get mystery, strawberry, and cherry for $1. And here are some peanut butter hearts. So I think I got white peanut butter and chocolate peanut butter hearts, which is good. My kids love those. Oh, cinnamon flavored hard candy. That's a good deal. My son will love those. Sixlets. I have to get sixlets every time. I love sixlets too. So I got a bag of those. Oh, this was in my car, a protein thing. And then I got them each a little candy. I got Katie this unicorn. It says, "You are magical." And then I got this frog for my Alex, and it says, "Totally yours." Super cute. And for Alex, I also got some hot tamales in a little heart. These are fierce cinnamon flavored. And then I got, oh, Razzles. These, and they're shaped like hearts. So I don't know if you've ever heard of these, but they're an older candy that was out when I was a kid, but it's like a powdery candy outside, and then it turns into gum. So it's kind of neat. Now there is nothing really, I mean, there's no weight to this at all, so you'd probably have to eat them all to get a whole piece of gum, but whatever. I just got one package of those because I don't even know if the kids like it. And then I had some crackers in my car because Alex and I went somewhere last weekend, and I had some snacks for him, and I just brought them in because they were still out there. And then I got a new cat collar for our cat. We have 2 cats, so I do have 2 collars, but I got a blue one and a red one, I think, but I don't know where it is yet. I found these, and Tracy told me about these kettle cooked chips, and they are really good. And they are like kettle chips. And there's a cheese dip there that's really good too, but they didn't have it this time. Oh, here's the other one. So here's a red and a blue collars for my cat. I love the bells. I like to know where they are. And then I got one of these for my son and one for my daughter. One of a kind, and Happy Valentine's Day, and Happy Valentine's Day, and you just open it up and you can stuff it with candy. So Lord knows I have enough of that. So that one's for Alex, and this one's for Katie. Happy Valentine's Day, and has a cute bike. This isn't, it's just printed on there. Happy Valentine's Day, and the inside is lined as well. So those are really cute. And then for my dogs, I found these Play and Chew raw hides. They like these. I don't know, I mean, not those particular ones. They haven't had those yet. But and then I found myself a couple of towels for the kitchen. This one says, "Don't flip out," and has the spatula. And then this one's my favorite. It says, "Just beat it," and has the mixer. I think it's cute. So those are really cute. I'm going to use those. And one more bag. Last bag, I got little candy hearts. They have a caramel, a strawberry cream, an orange cream, a cocoa truffle, and a chocolate caramel, but they're the same. Yes, so I got my daughter this one and my son this one. And then I also got them cherry sours. Got them in their own package of cherry sours. And then, lastly, I got myself these. These are crunchy rice rolls. There's 38 calories per roll and 8 carbs, 4 sugars, 1 protein. So the stats aren't fabulous, but these are really good. And Lisa is the one who told me about these. And they're like Rice Krispie treats almost, but they're not marshmallowy. But they're just a little roll of puffed rice. It's almost like Sugar Smacks. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And they're really good. So I got 2 of those. I found these at Walmart. They're kind of the same, but they're like $4 at Walmart. These are $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that's everything I got, and I need to do their care packages, but kind of fun stuff. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you get to go to Dollar Tree and find something that you might like. Enjoy today. Bye-bye.